everyone, this is Manvi Jain and here I am to tell you some alternatives for WhatsApp and Twitter. This is a modern era and this era is totally rely on social media. Each and every person is using social media in this era. So what if WhatsApp and Twitter will go ban in India? What will you do? What will you use? So here I am to tell you some and important alternatives for WhatsApp and Twitter. First of all, we start from WhatsApp and then we will talk about other alternatives for Twitter. So, WhatsApp has become ubiquitous with mobile messaging, but it's not for everyone. If you are suffering from WhatsApp fatigue or you don't like the privacy issues with this Facebook-owned app, here are the best WhatsApp alternatives you should look into. First of all, this is Signal. When it comes to WhatsApp alternatives, Signal is at the forefront. Its popularity is largely because of the company's stance on user privacy. Signal is an end-to-end encrypted app, just like WhatsApp. The messaging services promises that all your data is encrypted and can't be viewed by Signal or third parties. It is a relatively small company run by a non-profit organization and survives on donations. What sets Signal apart, though, is the fact that the app is open source, all of its code is available online and is up for public scrutiny. This means that if there is any privacy issue in Signal, it can be checked by security experts. In fact, WhatsApp's in-house encryption system is built using Signal's code. When it comes to user experience, Signal is quite similar to WhatsApp and won't be a big hurdle switching from WhatsApp to Signal. They both have a similar interface for sending messages, creating groups, making group voice and video calls, and sending stickers and more. Signal is available on iPhone, iPad, Android, Windows, Mac and Linux. The app can be used for free and all you need to sign up is your mobile number. Second alternative for WhatsApp is Telegram. Telegram has been touted as a best alternative for WhatsApp for a long time now. Because of its stance on privacy and its suite of features, the messaging service lets you create groups with up to 2 lakh users and share files up to 2 GB for free. There are public channels and self-destructing messages. Telegram's list of unique features is quite long. For instance, Telegram bots. This feature lets you integrate in different services and automation right into Telegram using chatbots. The app has end-to-end encrypted chat, but the default chat are also stored on Telegram server. If you want real device-to-device encrypted chat, you can use the secret mode feature. One-enabled messages are only stored on your phone. If one person deletes a message, it is deleted from both devices. Telegram can be used for free and it's available on iPhone, iPad, Apple Watch, Android, Mac, Windows, Linux and the web. The third alternative for WhatsApp is Discord. Discord started out as a game chat platform, but it has evolved into something so much more. It's now touted as an alternative to both Slack and WhatsApp, depending on your needs. It is a server-based messaging app, but it also have a private message feature that's very similar to WhatsApp. From its Friends tab, you can add friends using their username or gamer tags. You can then use Discord for private messaging, group chats, group calls, media sharing and more. You can also create a group chat with up to 10 friends. If you need more, you can always start your own Discord server. Discord is free, feature-rich and private. Unlike Signal and Telegram, you don't need to share your phone number or even your real name to use Discord on iPhone, iPad, Android, Mac, Windows and Linux. Fourth alternative for WhatsApp is Threema. Threema takes security really seriously and it's not afraid to charge for it. You pay a one-time fee when buying the app and in return you get end-to-end encryption for all data that passes through the messaging service. This includes messages, video calls, files and even status updates. The company lets you chat anonymously and there's no need to link a phone number or email to your account. These are optional. The service generates a random Threema ID when you first starting use the app that other users can use to communicate with you. Threema doesn't collect any user data and doesn't show any ads. It's a Swiss-made app with servers hosted in Switzerland. So these are the some alternatives for using WhatsApp, and we will now talk about the Twitter. Here are some apps which can be used in spite of Twitter. If Twitter get banned in India, you can use them as Twitter. The Indian government over the blocking of certain accounts and content is pretty unhappy with Twitter, due to which many union ministers and government departments have started setting up their accounts on Indian-made alternative like Koo. If you are also looking to make the shift, here is a list of the top Indian alternatives to Twitter you can look to shift to. So here is the first alternative for Twitter, and it is Koo. Koo, just like Twitter, is a micro-blogging platform where users can post opinions publicly and follow other users as well. Users can post text-based Koos up to 400 words, multimedia content, and personally chat with others. Users can also use hashtags or @symbol for mentions. It comes with a feature to re-Koo, Koo's version of a retweet. The most interesting thing about Koo is that apart from English, it comes support for 6 Indian languages. Second alternative for Twitter is Tutor. Another made in India alternative to Twitter gained brief popularity in November. At the same time, we had seen many ministers and government shift to the app. However, it faded pretty quickly, with all of the personalities making a comeback on Twitter soon after. Tutor is a fork of Mastodon project, which makes it look pretty similar to the original microblogging platform. Just like Twitter, it also has a main timeline, allow users to put out their opinion, repost tweets like tweets and more. Third alternative for using Twitter is Mitra Setu. It's a comparatively small app than Koo and Twitter, with it having a Facebook-like design and components of a micro-blogging website. The app lets you follow people and post your thoughts for your followers to read. It lets you like, comment, and post on your own timeline for all posts made on the platform. The app is relatively quite clean and uninstructive, thus enhancing the user experience. So these are some alternatives for WhatsApp and Twitter. If you use any of the app, please let us know in comment section. If by chance WhatsApp and Twitter get banned in India, you can use any of the app in alternative for WhatsApp and Twitter. Till then, stay tuned with our channel. Please like, share and subscribe. Till then, take care and bye-bye.